The 2024 Subaru WRX Trail has made a resounding entrance onto the global stage, captivating enthusiasts at the 2023 Subifest Florida. Subaru's dedication to performance is unmistakable in the TR trim, which promises exceptional handling and prowess thanks to a suite of upgrades including a Brembo braking system, revised suspension, retuned steering, and performance tires. For the first time, the 2024 Subaru WRX TR incorporates EyeSight driver assist technology as a standard feature on models equipped with a manual transmission, reflecting Subaru's commitment to safety without compromising the thrill of driving. One of the standout features of the WRX TR is its high-performance Brembo braking system, featuring red 6-piston front calipers and red 2-piston rear calipers, ensuring enhanced stopping power and fade resistance. The 2024 Subaru WRX TR's handling is further refined with stiffer springs, revised damping rates, and a retuned steering rack, striking a balance between body control, steering response, and ride quality. Bridgestone Potenza S007 tires, sized at 245/35 R19, offer increased wet and dry grip, complementing the TR's performance capabilities. The inclusion of EyeSight on manual transmission models showcases Subaru's innovative approach to safety, encompassing adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking system, lane departure and sway warning, and LED vehicle start alert. The wide-body design of the WRX TR is visually arresting, featuring Subaru's signature hexagonal grille, a compact headlight design, and a prominent front hood scoop. Exterior details such as foldable mirrors, a roof-mounted shark fin antenna, and magma-inspired rear taillights contribute to the WRX TR's bold and distinctive appearance. Inside, the 2024 Subaru WRX TR elevates the driving experience with Recaro seats, characterized by a Y-shaped design providing increased support and proper driving posture. The seats, upholstered in black and gray ultra suede with red stitching and the Recaro logo, add a sporty and luxurious touch to the interior. Weight savings and improved center of gravity are achieved by omitting the power moonroof, catering to performance-oriented drivers. Exclusive 19-inch multi-spoke wheels in a satin gray finish give the WRX Trail a unique and aggressive stance, enhancing its overall aesthetic appeal. The Subaru Starlink 11.6-inch Multimedia Plus system takes center stage, offering a high-definition touchscreen and features like wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. The 2.4-liter turbocharged Subaru Boxer engine, delivering 271 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, paired with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive, ensures exhilarating performance. Standard active torque vectoring further enhances the WRX TR's agility and cornering capabilities, adding to its dynamic driving experience. The absence of the power moonroof not only contributes to weight reduction, but also provides additional headroom, accommodating helmeted drivers comfortably. The 2024 Subaru WRX TR's aggressive appearance is complemented by sleek 19-inch multi-spoke wheels, adding a touch of sophistication to its overall design. The inclusion of the latest Subaru Starlink multimedia system ensures that the WRX TR stays on the cutting edge of technology, meeting the expectations of modern and tech-savvy drivers. The 2024 Subaru WRX TR stands out as a thrilling combination of performance, safety, and aesthetic enhancements, securing its place as a top-tier sports sedan in the market. The 2024 Subaru WRX TR brings a distinct flavor to the driving experience by exclusively offering a 6-speed manual transmission, reaffirming its commitment to the purists and enthusiasts who revel in the tactile engagement of shifting gears themselves. This deliberate choice by Subaru to stick with a manual transmission aligns with the TR's performance-oriented nature, providing drivers with a direct and hands-on connection to the driving dynamics. As part of its commitment to shedding unnecessary weight for enhanced performance, The WRX TR undergoes a moonroof delete. This decision not only contributes to weight reduction, but also plays a role in optimizing the car's center of gravity. For drivers seeking the utmost in performance and a more focused driving experience, the absence of the power moonroof is a deliberate move to prioritize the WRX TR's performance attributes. Priced at $41,655, the 2024 WRX TR comes with a package that encompasses the thrill of a manual transmission, the performance enhancements of the TR trim, and the weight-saving advantages of the moonroof delete. The pricing strategy reflects Subaru's dedication to offering a high-performance sports sedan that remains accessible to enthusiasts who appreciate the fusion of technology, safety, and hands-on driving engagement. With this unique combination of features and a thoughtfully set price point, the 2024 WRX TR positions itself as a compelling choice for those who seek an authentic and exhilarating driving experience, backed by Subaru's legacy of performance and innovation. As manual transmissions become increasingly rare in the automotive landscape, the WRX TR stands out as a beacon for enthusiasts who value the connection between driver and machine, making a bold statement in a market often dominated by automatic transmissions.